Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL for ESE, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. At first open the settings, then find and select accounts over here. Now tap on add account and choose Google, as it's about Google account. Meanwhile, make sure that you've got the network connection, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And now provide your email address or phone number. Not this one, forgot the proper one, was for test only. Once it's entered, provide the password. And once the password is entered, tap on next. Well, here you need to personalize the options, so you need to mark if this device is yours or if it belongs to your kid. Mark it and then tap on next. Tap on I agree then to confirm that you do agree with all the terms and conditions of usage. Here tap on accept. And that's it, that will be all. You've got account added. Then once you want to remove it, smoothly mark it and select remove account. Then confirm it by using your fingerprint or the pattern. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.